Introducing Cleans, the next level of motor coach cleaning and sanitization. Clean sanitization and disinfection solutions are a layered approach to safeguard traveling passengers. Motor coaches begin with a thorough multi-step cleaning process, removing surface contaminants and focusing on high-touch areas throughout the coach. 10 critical touchpoints receive additional attention. This thorough surface cleaning is followed by a full interior electrostatic fogging process, using EPA-approved surface disinfectants. These disinfectants are commonly used in the commercial airline industry and can achieve up to a 99.994% reduction in virus control. When distributing the disinfectant with an electrically charged solution, the disinfectant is evenly distributed to all surfaces, wrapping around interior components throughout the passenger compartment of the motor coach. Because motor coaches can exchange cabin air over 8 times more often than a commercial airplane, this allows the introduction of freshly filtered air every 36 to 120 seconds. More air exchanges mean more filtration of the air you breathe. The full application of these Cleans products and services provide the key components for a fully sanitized and disinfected motor coach. Using the Clean sanitization and disinfection systems in conjunction with meeting local, state, and national traveler guidelines means peace of mind for today's traveler. So relax and enjoy the journey.